let's thicken a salted caramel apple whiskey beverage. Hey, I'm SimplyThickJohn, and I love to thicken things. We were at the store trying to find the perfect fall beverage, and we came across this recipe for the caramel apple from Crown Royal. So let's follow their recipe. One point is that it starts with 4 ounces of ginger ale. So we're going to put that in there. That means this is a carbonated beverage, so we're going to have to use our carbonated beverage technique. So that's going to be a lot of fun. And then they have put in 1 ounce of the apple whiskey. I'm going to put that in. They have us put in 3/4 ounce of the caramel apple. Put that in. And then they have us put in a 1/2 ounce of the lemon juice. And so you'll notice this adds up to more than 4 ounces, which is what I usually thicken. And that's fine because we're doing the carbonated beverage technique. So we're going to release some of the carbonation. We're going to mix this for about 5 seconds. We're going to let out some of that carbonation from the ginger ale because that's more than you need to thicken a beverage. And let me grab another cup here because I knocked mine on the floor. And so now I'm going to put 1 dose of thickener into this cup to make it mildly thick. And now I'm going to pour 4 ounces into this cup from the first cup. And that's how we will get the right volume. And by pouring carefully and slowly, now we're going to be able to stir this into a nice thickened beverage. And we mix slowly so we're not releasing a lot of carbonation, and so we maintain the right thickness by mixing with minimum amounts of carbonation. We'll have a small head on here, and it will be just like what people want. And then with this excess, you can drink that yourself and enjoy a beverage with somebody who does not have, or somebody who doesn't have dysphagia can enjoy it with their friend who has dysphagia. Now, bonus tip is that I have pre-thickened ice cubes. Around here at SimplyThick headquarters, we keep mildly thick ice cubes kind of pink, and we do that to match the IDDSI colors for mildly thick, and we keep the moderately thick ice cubes yellow, and we do not make the slightly thick ice cubes gray because that's kind of ugly looking, and then the extremely thick ones we do green. We do that to match the IDDSI colors. So now we have a nicely thickened salted caramel apple drink. We pour that over the ice cubes so that it's not going to dilute those, and now you have a beverage that's ready for consumption. Please like and follow for more great mixing demonstrations. Thanks.